All right, that was 50 ounces of cream of mushroom. Next thing we're gonna add is 2 pounds of stew meat in our crock pot. Make sure you take out those little papers. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious 4-ingredient dinner. Now I'm gonna add our brown gravy. I'm using the 30% less sodium, but you can use the regular kind if you prefer. This gravy is so delicious, but you can make your own. You can make your own cream of mushroom. That is the best part of this dinner. It is customizable. And I'm gonna actually do 2 packets of that brown gravy because I want extra gravy with my steak bites. Beautiful. Now for more seasoning, I'm gonna add 1 packet of my beefy onion soup mix. Now if you can't find the beefy onion, you can use the regular onion soup mix, but I think the beefy goes beautiful with our beef tips and cream of mushroom and all of that goodness. And you could add some fresh mushrooms, you could add some fresh onions to this if that's what you prefer, but I'm gonna keep this super simple. Now that is 4 ingredients, but we're gonna add some water too. We are going to add 4 cups of water. And that's gonna help the gravy become gravy and give us a delicious coating for our steak bits. Now it is time to mix everything together. The cream of mushroom, the chuck roast steak bits, the gravy packets, and that beefy onion soup. Oh my goodness, this smells good already. It's so potent, it's so delicious. Now you could do this with whatever cut of meat you like. I just use the chuck roast because this is gonna be cooking for a while, so it doesn't really matter what kind of meat you use. It's all gonna come out tender and juicy. All right, that looks like it's mixed well enough. We can give it another mix halfway if we need to, but we're gonna go ahead and put our lid on and we're gonna pop this on low because this is gonna cook slow and low. All right, it's been 8 hours on low. We're gonna go ahead and pop this off. You can cook it for 5 hours on high if you prefer, but before we dig in, I'm gonna bring in my Bob Evans mashed potatoes, and I'm gonna get a scoop of mashed potatoes on my plate to go with that delicious meat and gravy. That looks like enough, right?
Yeah, it looks good. I want to see what's in this crock pot.
All right, well, now that we have our side ready, let's check it out. Woo!
Oh, it thickened up.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that looks perfect. Slow cooked steak and gravy. All right, it's time to dig in. And then we're just gonna serve this right on top of your mashed potatoes. You could add some cornstarch to thicken it up, but I'm pretty happy with that, how it is. It's not too thin, not too thick, perfect medium. All right, it's time to dig in. Get that meat and the mashed potatoes. It's a perfect bite. That meat just fell apart in my mouth. Wow, that is so good, you guys. Tender, juicy, delicious. You have to try it.